Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to block ads on your Android mobile. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up your Google Chrome, then click on three dots in top right corner. Now scroll down and click on settings in bottom. Now scroll down again and find an option of site settings. Click here on site settings option. When you click on site settings option, then scroll down and find an option of third party cookies. If these are allowed, you must turn it off or block. You can click on third option and block these permanently. Now go back and click on this intrusive ads option. I have allowed. You have to simply turn it off if these are allowed. Now go back another option, third party sign in. I have already blocked this option. You can check this if it is on. You have to simply turn it off. Now go back and find another option, which is JavaScript. If you are using your PC, then you can change it. Otherwise, if you are Android user, then you should not change this option. If you turn it on your Android mobile, you will not see websites or other things. Now go to your mobile phone settings and search here. In settings, search here apps. When I search here apps, then go to down and there you can see an option of your apps. Click on this option, your apps. Here you can see if any relative app is available, you have to uninstall. When I click on my game space, then when I have to move left to right, I show this website or this option on my mobile. If you are showing this option, you have to turn these options on. Let your assistant learn from this. You have to turn these off. If you are new, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.